psychosis, the delusional state, isn't something that sleep deprivation creates. It's essentially exposing what the Bible says, like in Jeremiah 17:9, that our hearts are deceitful above all things. We have to go back. We have to start with normal human nature. When we don't follow God's designed order, what we would say is the creation mandate. Those are important terms going back to Genesis 1 and 2. If we're not functioning spiritually and physically as God designed, then we're going to be out of line, out of that design, and things aren't going to go well. And so the deceitful nature is very easily revealed in us, and it's in different ways, but essentially it's revealed when we don't get quality, quantity, and again, a regularity of sleep.